How does organizational culture develop, or how is it created and how is it maintained? Well, to start with, it begins with the vision of the founders of the company. That is, their individual values, vision, mission for the company tend to perpetuate the organization and establish the early culture. Now, as the organization grows, or at least becomes more mature, it faces all sorts of internal and external challenges. Internal challenges being things like structure, motivation, reporting, communication, those things. External challenges generally constituting competitor challenges in the marketplaces or substitute products, evolution of product line, things like that. Now, from there, employees join the company and leave the company. So companies tend to look for employees who fit within their given culture. So the hiring, they tend to hire people that seem to represent the culture that currently exists, and those who don't fit in the given culture tend to leave. So over time, you end up with a large culture of very similar individuals that tend to perpetuate again the organization. So through this hiring and attrition model. So this is generally how culture is created and how it's maintained within an organization.